Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tequila gummy bears. First, you'll need to gather your supplies. Pick out your favorite gummy bears, making sure they are not sugar-free, as these tend to dissolve. You'll also need a good quality tequila, a shallow dish, and a spoon. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those gummy bears soaking. Spread your gummy bears in a single layer in your shallow dish. This ensures they all get equal exposure to the tequila. Carefully pour enough tequila over them to just cover the bears. Don't drown them, but make sure they are fully submerged. Then, place the dish in the refrigerator and let them soak for at least 8 hours or even overnight for maximum absorption. During the soaking process, it's important to check on your gummy bears. Every few hours, give them a gentle stir. This prevents them from clumping together and helps them absorb the tequila evenly. If you notice the gummy bears are starting to look dry or are not fully submerged, add a small amount of extra tequila to keep them covered. This ensures they become plump and perfectly infused. After soaking, your tequila gummy bears should be noticeably plump and soft, indicating they've absorbed plenty of the spirit. They are now ready to enjoy. Store any uneaten gummy bears in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and texture. Remember, these are adult treats, so please enjoy them responsibly and in moderation. They make a fun and unique addition to any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.